and I've been able to share a little bit of that, is the Sicilian Artisan Foundation. That for me is the epitome of anyone wanting to know an artist of Sicilian origins can go onto the website and find everything that they make handmade, and they're there to the world to offer.
Carmela,
Yes.
excuse me. Can I ask you to wait a moment? Can you stop it for a moment, the interview?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, Sicilian Artisan Foundation, yes, 2 years, no, 2 years ago, in 2020, 2019, 2020, we, when I say we, I mean me, my wife, and our little doggy, we were in Ireland, and you remember